Welcome! Grammar time! Here we go. Yeah, today the topic is tell-me modals, negative sentences. How can we structure negative sentences using the tell-me modals? Well, first of all, you need, a subject. A pronoun, a noun, a singular noun, or a plural noun. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, my mom, your dad, my husband, your wife, and a subject. And then these are negative sentences. So we're going to use negative auxiliaries. In this case, we have two, don't or doesn't, because we're talking about present simple. So don't or doesn't. You remember, I don't, you don't, they don't, we don't, my parents don't, my grandparents don't. And doesn't for singular nouns or for he, she, it, she doesn't, he doesn't, it doesn't, Jimmy doesn't, Caroline doesn't. Yeah, so first of all, a subject, then a negative auxiliary, and after that, we're gonna need the Xiaomi model. So the Xiaomi model here, you remember we have three options. The first one have two for obligations. Yeah, but in this case, it's not an obligation. I don't have to. You don't have to. She doesn't have to. They don't have to. Jimmy doesn't have to. So this is not an obligation. And the next one, need to for necessities. In this case, it's not a necessity. Oh, I don't need to. You don't need to. She doesn't need to. And finally, want to for desires. In this case, you don't want this. It's not your desire. She doesn't want to. I don't want to. They don't want to. Yeah, we don't want this. And of course, then we're gonna use a verb. So remember, a verb could be wherever you want. Work, travel, study, go, speak, anywhere. And finally, if you prefer, you can add a complement too. So that's all. Time to take notes.